Good morning, students. Hopefully, you are doing good, and me too. Myself here, Ananya Barman from Department of Chemistry. Today, we are going to discuss about the corrosion. So, have you ever heard about this corrosion? Yes, of course, because there is so many examples we have in real life where corrosion is going on. Like if we are keeping a iron rod into the environment in presence of moisture and oxygen, it will corrode. A brown coating will form on the surface of the iron, and yes, it is, this is the rust formation. Again, if we have silver jewelries and silver metals in our home, after a while you can see a black color coating will form on the surface of the silver jewelries or silver metals. And what is this? The black composition, black coating is of course the silver sulfide, which is formed in presence of H2S and which we have into our environment. So this is all about the examples why we can see in our real life corrosion process is going on. Now the big question is corrosion is advantageous or disadvantageous? Yes, of course, the corrosion is disadvantageous as the mechanical property like mechanical strength, mechanical ductility, the chemical properties, chemical reactivity, all are degrade. So that is why the corrosion process is very harmful for any type of metals. Now the twist is still metal have the tendency to be corroded in presence of environment. So what do you think? What is this? Actually, we are getting the ores rather than the pure metals in our nature. Why this is? Because the pure metals are not at all the stable. The stable form is this ore. Like if we consider the iron, we are getting the iron carbonate or iron sulfide in rather than the pure iron into our nature. So from this source, if we extract the pure metal, we have to provide some of the energy. So this means the ores are much more thermodynamically stable than the pure metal. So that is why metal have this tendency to be corroded in presence of environment, even though this is the harmful process for itself. Okay, so what do you think? What is the importance of this corrosion? Why we are discussing about this? Actually, there are so many machines, so many instruments we are using in industry, in factory continuously, which is corroding. So if we know well what is the corrosion process and how this is going on and what are the factors that is affecting the corrosion process, that time only we can prevent the metals from to be corroded. So this is for today's only. Next day we will discuss about the classification of corrosion. In my second slide, I have given the objectives and outcomes of this session and also some of the study materials I have given. Also in this you can see a assignment, so read the study materials and watch the video properly, and that time you can do the assignment within time. So thank you, students.